Best massage chairs from leading brands cost a lot more than $1,000. They're built to last, giving you all the features and peace of mind you need to know you've made a good investment. Unfortunately, the same can't be said about chairs under $1,000. Most of them are duds. But while you're going to pay top dollar for the best, there are a couple of off-brand chairs that won't let you down. We've sourced these, so while you're going to find a few chairs over $1,000, which is the best in terms of features and reliability, know that this will be money well spent. Not all these chairs are under $1,000, but in the long run, we are saving you a lot of wasted money and time. Spending a little more is definitely worth it when it comes to buying the best massage chair. And as always, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. And if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. COMFIER Portable Folding Massage Chair. For those of you living in a tiny home, schoolie, or just a smaller space, the COMFIER Portable Folding Massage Chair is for you. If you need that end of the day release but just don't have the space for it, this may be a perfect solution. This is also one of the most affordable, so if you're tight on money, this might be worth the investment. Fit with heat, vibration, and made with premium leather, this chair is small but mighty. It's built with a neck massager with 4 different shiatsu mode positions and a back massager with 8 different rotation nodes, including kneading, low back, and upper back to name a few. If you don't like assembling things, you're in luck because this is no assembly required. When you get it, it's ready for use, and when you're finished, it's ready to be put away. Because of the limited capabilities of such a minimal massager, some settings of course aren't included, such as foot and calf massages. Additionally, you might have to find an adjustment that works for you, such as sitting on a pillow if you need to get higher or for the neck massager. Sometimes though, the compromises are worth it if you have the accessibility of space. Number 4. FOELRO Zero Gravity Massage Chair. FOELRO Zero Gravity Massage Chair is a reliable massage chair under $1,000. Made using premium faux leather, the chair looks good, and you will get the right amount of comfort while sitting on it. This is a full-body massage chair with a foot roller and airbags to relieve stress from head to toe. The chair offers 3 levels of zero gravity massage, that is, initial zero gravity, comfort zero gravity, and deep zero gravity to offer an effective and better massage than high-end massage chairs. Furthermore, FOELRO Zero Gravity Massage Chair comes with 3-level strength adjustment, and you can select between low, mid, and high strength massage. The Zero Gravity Shiatsu Massage Chair also allows you to select from multiple massage modes, and you can even customize the massage mode based on your requirements. The extendable footrest makes it ideal for taller people as you can comfortably sit on the chair. The availability of heating therapy is an added feature, and the chair will heat the lumbar area to relieve you from stress. Coming to the entertainment, then FOELRO Zero Gravity Massage Chair has a built-in wireless speaker, and you can connect it to your Android or iPhone. The massage chair offers a combination of entertainment and fantastic massage, so you won't find a better package at this price, and is easily the best zero gravity chair out there. Number 3. Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 Massage Chair. Okay, this chair isn't technically part of the list, but it deserves an honorable mention. We know it's more than $1,000. But it is the best based on warranty, reliability, and brand. It doesn't have all the features of the other chairs, but it will last. Human Touch is one of the best brands out there, and this is their starter model, the WholeBody. It's a sample chair, but it does all the basics, including body mapping, air warming, figure 8 calf massaging, foot massaging, 5 auto programs, and a very handy swivel base. This chair might be cheap, but you'll get more than your money's worth. 5 auto massage programs, choose a program that best suits your needs and lie back as the chair does the rest. Body Map Pro. Gone are the days of endlessly pressing buttons to get to the right spot. Human Touch's Body Map Pro function allows you to select the right area off the map of the human body. Patented warm air technology. A luxurious stream of warm air is used to heat and relax the lumbar area. Swivel base. Who needs a swivel base on a massage chair? Everyone who's tried it. It makes moving around much easier. Flex Glide Roller Technology. The orbital roller technology incorporated by Human Touch's new patented Flex Glide reduces pinching and friction for a seamless roller effect that's more relaxing than any other. Hidden Ottoman. It looks like a normal chair but transforms into a massage chair. The calf wells, which double as foot wells, are hidden under the seat of the chair so you can use your massage chair like a normal chair. Figure 8 Calf Massage. Human Touch uses paddles for calf massages instead of traditional airbags. The paddles move in patented figure 8 for better circulation. Easy to use remote. Simple yet effective, the remote control is easy to use and not intimidating at all. Human-like techniques. Stretch, flex, and tone massage techniques are mimicked by the special massage rollers in the chair back for a truly unique massage experience. The WholeBody might be slightly more expensive with fewer features than cheaper chairs, but it does give a very good massage and it won't break without a good reason. It's a better investment than some cheaper models. Number 2. SMAGREHO Full Body Massage Chair. This massage chair is compact with outstanding features that not only focus on your neck and shoulders but the entire body. SMAGREHO's full body massage chair comes in black, blue, or brown so you can match it to your surrounding furniture and color schemes. Made of faux leather, this chair comes with 8 fixed rollers and airbags all over your shoulders, legs, glutes, and feet, and for a super secure, fitted, and relaxed feel. Fit with a Bluetooth hookup, you can listen to your favorite tunes while enjoying the 6 different full body presets, 3 levels of back rollers, and an intricately relaxing calf and foot massager. From the bottom of your feet to the top of your head, it addresses what feels like every muscle in your body, allowing you to completely submit to the warm, tension-releasing sitting. Assembly is easy and takes around 30 minutes, so you can enjoy your chair quickly after it comes. Did we mention it also comes with heating pads? Perfect for a chilly day. Some say they wish there was a pocket or section to hold entertainment sources like iPads and magazines. Maybe you'll have to make your own. Number 1. Real Relax Full Body Massage Chair. This is our number 1 pick in terms of reliability and number of features. The new 2022 Real Relax model comes with Bluetooth and 6 automated programs. While some people feel the shoulder massage is too weak or the leg cushions too strong, the overall consensus is that, for the price, this chair is a very good buy. Customer service is good, with chairs being replaced if they were delivered faulty, although $150 to $200 shipping fee may be asked for returns. 6 auto programs. The chair has 6 auto programs that use different techniques to help you relax and unwind from the most common ailments. Back and foot heating. The heating pads in the lower back and the feet help relieve tension and promote circulation to increase the rate of healing. Foot massage. The foot massage includes both rollers and airbags for complete relaxation. The footrests are also extendable for people with longer legs. Easy to assemble, use, and move. The chair is easy to assemble. Even though the manual isn't the best, the control panel is equally easy to use with adjustable timer and intensity features. And the handy rollers at the back of the base makes the chair easy to move. Zero gravity and manual recline. Like most high-end chairs, the Real Relax massage chair comes with a zero gravity feature, and even if the chair isn't connected to a power outlet, it can still be used as a recliner. In terms of features and quality, this is one of the best options. Unfortunately, it isn't the best chair for tall people, but other than that, this is your best bet for a high-quality chair in this price range. So that wraps up our list for the best massage chair for under $1,000. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestion for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Legit Pick family. We've got lots of more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.